Although it is not so advanced, I see some advertisers still do not understand the differentiation between those optimization settings. So from the campaign level, once we go to the ad set level, you will see this section. This part tells us where you want the conversion location to be at. Like, where do you want to count that conversion? So if it's an app, you drive an app purchase, of course, this is not going to be a website, right? In website and app, you count both of these at the same time. But since my campaign objective is not that, I'm not able to select this. And some people count those conversions as how many messages they receive, how many messages initiated, or how many Instagram profile visits they get. So this would be a separate conversion location. Or if you want to sell through the phone and you only want to count that conversion as a phone call, that action will be conversion action location specifically be on the calls, right? So here that is important. So if I were to choose here, if I come here, if I were to choose leads, for instance, my conversion location will change, as you guys can see, and it gives me the option to select instant forms. Then I wouldn't be counting that conversions on website. I would be counting those conversions on the Facebook instant forms itself. So there is a separate conversion action that, of course, you're going to get a very low cost per acquisitions when you select instant forms as a conversion location. Hope this is clear, guys. In the next module, I will talk about the performance goals and the conversion optimization events. All right, now we selected the conversion location. Let's say we chose websites, even let's say we want to go with leads, and I will go to the ad set level back again and websites. Cool. Let's say I want to count the leads on the website. I will go down. Here we have the performance goal. This is the part you're telling Facebook is what you want to focus on. This is not optimization events that we covered. So this is not going to get you out of the learning phase. This is not being what is being counted, right? This is the goal, what you want to achieve at the end. If you go to the drop down, you will say maximize number of conversions. So this is basically going to tell Facebook, all right, this is what you want to focus on. So we chose leads. But even though your campaign objective is leads, for instance, you can focus your goal on, let's say, maximize number of landing page views or clicks or unique reach or impressions. So that is totally up to you, but my goal is always maximize number of conversions if I want to optimize for conversions. If I were to optimize for traffic, I would also select in the campaign details, select the traffic campaign, because this gives a separate signal than the conversion performance goal. It sends a totally different signal. So I always go with this, but I see some people playing around testing this. They don't see a huge difference. Just to keep in mind, I want to play it safe. I always choose this one. And here, guys, the important part is if I choose something other than conversions, as you guys will see, maximize number of link clicks, the conversion optimization event just disappeared. Why is that? So let's go back and select maximize number of conversions. We can see the conversion events. So this means the learning is going to happen on the website. This is basically telling that. That's why it's giving you these options for you to optimize towards leads, submit application, contact, find location, complete registration, sort of stuff. So in my case, I always select lead. This is the conversion event. I was telling you some people are trying to trick the algorithm before this module and they choose performance goal. So as you guys can see, we cannot select clicks here. So it is not given to us as a click, as an optimization event. So if you say, I want to get out of the learning phase, I have a limited budget, then you have to go to the performance goal and choose something like link clicks or landing page views. Let's say we go with link clicks. At the bottom, as you guys can see, this is disappeared. The reason being is the conversion optimization event is literally link clicks. So you cannot choose anything from here. It will be automatically on link clicks and you will get out of the learning phase pretty fast. And as I said, if your goal is not leads, or I don't suggest you choose your optimization event as a link click. So if you choose your performance goal as link clicks, your optimization event is automatically link clicks. But if you choose conversion, you will be able to choose from different conversions, contact, find location, that will be happening on your website. So if I were to choose, let's say, a website sales objective, I would be able to see a different optimization event. So I will still going to choose maximize number of conversions, but conversion event I would see add to cart, right? Initiate checkout, specific for an e-commerce style optimization, right? Let's wrap it up, guys. The first thing first, location is where you have that optimization event. Performance goal is also giving the signal what you want to achieve. And if you don't select conversion and website, it will disappear. This conversion event will disappear. So let's say if you choose link clicks, as I automatically optimizing towards link clicks, and the conversion event just disappeared. So we usually go with maximize number of conversions and select purchase, or if you want to do add to cart, which I don't really suggest, you will get out of learning a little bit faster, but still a viable option compared to this one is viable option compared to selecting just link clicks. Hope this makes sense, but I suggest still going with purchase, which is the safest bet. All right, see you in the next one.